Withdrawing money from Wintub in 2023 is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Open the Wintub app or website. Now log into your account using your credentials. Then look for a section that relates to withdrawals, cashing out, or redeeming rewards. This could be located in your account settings or dashboard. Some platforms have a minimum withdrawal threshold. Ensure that your account balance meets this minimum requirement. Now select the withdrawal method you prefer. This might include options such as PayPal, gift cards, or other payment methods. Depending on the withdrawal method, you might need to provide additional information. For example, if you're withdrawing to PayPal, you would need to enter your PayPal email address. Double-check the withdrawal details, including the amount and payment method. Now, confirm the withdrawal. The processing time for withdrawals can vary. Some platforms process withdrawals instantly, while others may take a few days. After the withdrawal is processed, check your payment account, for example, PayPal or bank account, to ensure that the funds have been transferred.